Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how to make a game pass in Roblox. Alright, so let's start. So first you can go to roblox.com, and once you are in here, click on create. Alright, so once you are in this page here, you can click on the three dots here and click on open a new tab. Okay, so here under details, you can click on associated items. Now this is where you can find all your badges, your passes, and developer products. So here you can click on passes and click on create a pass. Okay, now here you can upload an image for this pass, and also you can give it a name. So let's just call this one Patrick. Now description is optional, so you can click on create pass. So here it says pass created successfully, and also in here you can click on open a new tab. Now here click on the three dots and click on configure. So here you can click on sales. And now you can turn this on and you can configure the price for this one. Alright, now when you're done, you can go ahead and click on save. Alright, so that would be all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.